Nestled in the heart of Pakistan, Piplan is a small town in the Mianwali district of Punjab. It is located near the Indus River. Piplan holds historical and cultural significance. The town offers a unique blend of nature's beauty and cultural heritage. Piplan is an unexplored gem waiting to be discovered. The town's close proximity to the Indus River has shaped its landscape and history. Piplan is a place where time seems to slow down. The pace of life is relaxed. The town offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Piplan is an ideal destination for travelers. They seek authentic cultural experiences. The town's rich history and natural beauty make it a hidden gem. Piplan is waiting to be explored. Piplan's history dates back centuries. The region has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. The town's strategic location near the Indus River made it a significant trading post. It was a cultural crossroads for various civilizations. The town's architecture reflects a blend of Mughal and British influences. This is evident in the design of its old buildings and mosques. Piplan is home to several archaeological sites. These sites provide glimpses into its glorious past. The local population takes pride in their cultural heritage. They preserve their traditions and customs. Visitors to Piplan can experience the warmth and hospitality of the locals. They can immerse themselves in the town's rich history and culture. Piplan's natural beauty is defined by the majestic Indus River. The river flows on the outskirts of the town. It provides breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. The Indus River is a lifeline for the local community. It provides water for irrigation and sustains a variety of flora and fauna. The banks of the Indus River are ideal for picnics and leisurely walks. Visitors can witness stunning sunrises and sunsets. They paint the sky in vibrant hues. The river attracts migratory birds. They add to the natural splendor of the surroundings. Beyond the Indus, Piplan is surrounded by vast agricultural lands. These lands are dotted with small villages. The landscape transforms with the changing seasons. It offers a picturesque view. Agriculture is the backbone of Piplan's economy. The fertile lands surrounding the town are ideal for cultivating a variety of crops. Wheat, cotton, and sugarcane are the major crops grown in their region. The Indus River provides essential irrigation for agriculture. Traditional farming practices are still prevalent in Piplan. Farmers use bullock carts for transportation. They rely on their ancestral knowledge for cultivation. The agricultural landscape of Piplan showcases a harmonious relationship between man and nature. The harvest season in Piplan is a time of celebration. Farmers rejoice in the fruits of their labor. The aroma of freshly harvested crops fills the air. Visitors can experience the vibrancy of rural life. They can witness the traditional methods of harvesting and processing crops. Section 5, Navigating the Elements, Weather and Ideal Visiting Times. Piplan experiences extreme weather conditions, making it essential to plan your visit carefully. Summers are hot and dry, with temperatures often reaching extreme highs. Temperatures can soar above 40 degrees Celsius, making outdoor activities quite challenging. Winters, on the other hand, are mild and pleasant, providing a welcome respite from the summer heat. The best time to visit Piplan is during the spring or autumn months, when the weather is most agreeable. From February to April, the weather is pleasant, making it ideal for outdoor activities and sightseeing. During this time, the fields are lush green, creating a picturesque landscape. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, adding to the charm of the season. October and November also offer comfortable temperatures, making it another great time to visit. This is the time when the harvest season is in full swing, providing a unique cultural experience. It is advisable to avoid visiting Piplan during the peak summer months, as the extreme heat can be quite unbearable. The scorching heat can make it difficult to enjoy outdoor activities and can be a health risk. Monsoon season brings occasional rainfall, which can be refreshing, but also comes with its own set of challenges. The rain can make travel challenging, with muddy roads and potential delays. Therefore, it is crucial to check the weather forecast before planning a trip to Piplan to ensure a pleasant and safe visit. Section 6. Unveiling the gem's notable sights and experiences in Piplan. While Piplan may appear as a small town, it offers several notable sights and experiences for travelers. Nestled in the heart of Pakistan, Piplan is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Its charm lies not just in its serene landscapes, but also in the rich cultural and historical tapestry that it offers to its visitors. The Chashma Barrage, located a short distance from Piplan, is a marvel of engineering. This impressive structure not only controls water flow, but also supports the local agriculture, making it a lifeline for the surrounding communities. The barrage is a sight to behold, especially during the monsoon season when the water gushes through its gates with immense force. It is a vital irrigation project. The network of canals stemming from the barrage irrigates vast tracts of agricultural land, ensuring that the fields remain fertile and productive throughout the year. This irrigation system has transformed the region into a green oasis, supporting the livelihoods of countless farmers. It also serves as a popular picnic spot. Families and friends gather here to enjoy the tranquil environment, making it a perfect place for relaxation and recreation. The lush greenery and the soothing sound of flowing water create an idyllic setting for picnics and outdoor activities. The Chashma nuclear power plant, another significant landmark near Piplan, stands as a testament to Pakistan's advancements in the field of nuclear energy. This state-of-the-art facility not only contributes significantly to the national grid, but also symbolizes the country's commitment to sustainable energy solutions. Visitors can learn about the plant's operations and its contribution to the country's power generation. Guided tours provide an educational experience, offering insights into the complexities of nuclear energy and the meticulous safety measures in place. For those seeking spiritual solace, the shrines of Sufi saints scattered around Piplan offer a glimpse into the region's rich religious history. These sacred sites are not only places of worship, but also centers of cultural heritage, where age-old traditions and rituals are still practiced. The shrine of Hazrat Sultan Bahu is a revered site. This holy place attracts thousands of devotees who come to pay their respects and seek blessings. The spiritual ambience of the shrine, coupled with the devotion of the pilgrims, creates a profound and moving experience. It attracts devotees from far and wide. The influx of pilgrims from different parts of the country and beyond highlights the shrine's significance and the deep-rooted spiritual connection people have with this sacred site. Piplan, with its blend of natural beauty, historical landmarks and spiritual sanctuaries, offers a unique and enriching experience for all who visit. Section 7. Journey to Piplan travel tips and exploration routes. Piplan is well connected by road to major cities in Pakistan. This makes it an accessible destination for both local and international travelers looking to explore the rural charm of the region. The most convenient way to reach Piplan is by road from Islamabad, the capital city. The drive itself is a scenic journey, offering picturesque views of the countryside and a glimpse into the daily lives of the local communities. The journey takes approximately 4 to 5 hours. Regular bus services are available from major cities, providing a comfortable and affordable travel option. For those who prefer a more personalized experience, renting a car is also a viable choice, allowing for more flexibility and the opportunity to make stops along the way. Accommodation options in Piplan are limited but decent. Visitors can find a range of small guest houses and inns that offer a cozy and authentic experience. These accommodations often reflect the local culture and hospitality, making your stay in Piplan a memorable one. It is advisable to book in advance, especially during peak season. Online booking platforms and local travel agencies can assist in securing a place to stay, ensuring that you have a comfortable base from which to explore the area. Local guest houses and small hotels offer basic amenities at reasonable prices. These establishments provide a good balance of comfort and affordability, making them ideal for budget-conscious travelers. For a more comfortable stay, visitors can opt for hotels in nearby cities like Mianwali. These hotels offer more extensive facilities and services, catering to those who prefer a higher standard of accommodation. A visit to Piplan can be combined with trips to other notable nature sites in Pakistan. Planning a multi-destination itinerary can enhance your travel experience, allowing you to see more of the country's diverse landscapes and cultural heritage. The Katasraj Temples, located a few hours' drive from Piplan, is an ancient Hindu pilgrimage site. This historical complex is a testament to the rich cultural and religious history of the region, attracting visitors from all over the world. It is known for its stunning architecture and historical significance. The intricate carvings and well-preserved structures offer a glimpse into the architectural prowess of ancient civilizations. The Soon Saksa Valley, with its lush green meadows and snow-capped mountains, offers breathtaking views. This valley is a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts, providing numerous opportunities for hiking, photography, and simply enjoying the serene environment. Section 8. Conclusion. Piplan, a confluence of nature and culture. Piplan, with its serene landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality, offers a unique travel experience. The town's close proximity to the Indus River, its agricultural heritage, and its cultural treasures make it an off-the-beaten-path destination. Piplan is a place where time seems to stand still. Visitors can immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature, They can witness the simplicity of rural life. They can connect with the warmth of the local community. Piplan's unique blend of nature and culture makes it a hidden gem waiting to be discovered.